Welcome to Chapter 2, Artificial Intelligence, Learning Objectives, Understanding the concept of what AI is, becoming familiar with the drivers. So our opening vignette. Problem. In wrecks, traffic congestion is ever-increasing problem in many large metropolitan areas. Drivers may spend several hours on the roads each day. In addition, air pollution is increasing and more accidents occurring. The solution? AI is concerned with two basic ideas: the study of human thought process to understand what technology is, representation and duplication of those thoughts. That is, the machines are expected to have human-like processing. So what did we do? We collected data by helicopter drones to see what was actually causing the real-time traffic flow. Information provided participants, delivery companies of over 100 million anonymous volunteer drivers who have GPSs enabled on their smartphones, and information provided congestion reports. They were able to collect data to determine what was going on. They used AI to help find a solution so that they can keep track of what's going on. Results: individual drivers processing the information allowed them to have the solution. Major elements of AI. As you can see, it's depicted as a tree. Up in the top, we have basically what everything needs to be: the technology and applications and the foundation. As you can see down at the bottom, a little of what's going on: human behavior, Internet of Things, logic, robotics, fuzzy logic, biology, computer science, engineering. This is the technology part of it. This is kind of how all this stuff comes together. On the top part are the branches: autonomous vehicles, intelligent agent, natural language, machine learning, genetics, deep learning. So by having that foundation, it allows us to have the technology and applications that we're able to use to have what's going on. The applications are used for the creation of a number of what's going on. The goal of AI is to create intelligent machines that are capable of executing a variety of tasks currently done by people. Ideally, the AI should be able to reason, think, abstractly plan, solve problems. So what do we want to do with AI? This is how AI works. You saw NVIDIA over the last couple of months. Their chips have become more AI driven. That allows AI to be done faster. Some specific goals: perceive and properly react to the change of the environment that influences specific business processes and operations. Introduce creativity in the business. Drivers of AI: people interested in smart machines and artificial brain, low cost of AI applications, the desire of large tech companies to capture competitive advantage of market share, the pressure of management to increase productivity and speed, the availability of quality data contributing to the progress of AI, increasing functionalities and reduced cost of computers in general, the development of new technologies. What are the major benefits of AI? has the ability to create certain tasks much faster than humans. It is consistent, repeatable. AI systems allow for continuous improvement. AI can be used for predictive analysis, manage delays and blockage in the business process. AI machines can do not stop or need rest, like robotics. AI machines work autonomously or assisted by human. Functionality of AI machines are ever increasing. AI machines can learn and improve their performance, can work with environments and hazardous situations, can facilitate innovation. No emotion is involved. Fraud detection, industrial organizations, knowledge work. Some examples of AI. The International Swab and Derivatives Association uses AI to eliminate tedious activities to contract procedures. Revolutionary business recruitment, right? Conducting more efficient and fairer candidate job screening. This is used in the HR. They can screen your resumes much faster, making sure that you have what they need. Redefining management, following the 5 practices of AI. Routine administration duties. Managers can focus on judgment portion of the work. Intelligent machines are treated as colleagues. Concentration and creativity. Managers are developing social skills. Some of the different things of AI. An example, AI Ford Motor Credit uses machine learning to spot overlooked borrowers. Alistar Cole uses data collected from sources IBM Watson predict who's going to be buying what. Companies building AIs around the world. What are limitations of AI? Lack of human touch and feel. Lack of attentions in non-task surroundings. Can lead people to rely on AI machines too much. Programmed to create destruction. Cause people to lose their jobs and start thinking of themselves causing significant damage. Let's see. The 3 flavors of AI: assisted, autonomous, and augmented. Assisted, this is the equivalent mostly to weak AI, which works only on a narrow domain. It requires clearly defined inputs and outputs. Autonomous, the real strong, very narrow domain. Eventually computers will take over many tasks, automating them. Think of driving cars. And augmented, existing applications which are assisted between and referring to augmented intelligence. Their technology can ensure what's going on. Human and computer intelligence. Content of intelligence, capabilities of intelligence, comparing AI and human intelligence. Area AI human. This is just a chart that kind of breaks up how it works. Area execution, AI is very fast. Humans have to take time to figure out what it is. Motions, AI doesn't have emotions. Can be positive or negative. Computation speed, very fast. AI, humans are slow. Answer questions. What is the program? Can be innovative. Flexibility, AI is very rigid. Humans are more flexible. Foundation of binary code, humans are the 5 senses. Consistency is high, which means AI is repeatable. Some of the different things. Capabilities. learning or understanding from experience, making sense out of ambiguous, incomplete event things, understanding and referring to a rational way. Major technology and derivatives, intelligent agents. Let me just get there. Intelligent agents, autonomous, relatively small computer software programs that observe the acts upon changes in the environment. Machine learning. At this time, AI systems do not have the same learning of capabilities of humans. Rather, they have simplistic or machine learning, models after humans. Machine learning also allows computer systems to monitor and sense their environment. Different algorithms, which we'll cover going forward. Let's see. Machine and computer vision. Did I pass that? Definition of machine vision varies, but basically computer vision systems include different hardware and software that work together. Generally speaking, classic definition is machine vision. Uses both computers and applications so it can see what's going on. Industrial cameras. If we think of the Tesla cars and self-driving cars, they have very advanced camera systems. They're using advanced chips so they can make judgments on how to drive your car. That's what the vision systems are doing. Robotic systems. Sensory systems such as those scenes recognition and signal processing when combining with AI technology. Robot is an electromechanical device that is guided by a computer program. Heavily used in the auto industry. Robots have been around in there for decades, and now with the AI, they're actually getting smarter. They can do welding and painting, something that's repetitive, dangerous. So it helps us to use that to make sure that it has. With the smarter cameras, we're able to see what's going on. If you look at the warehouse systems Amazon uses, it's all about robotics. They bring the material to the pickers who's packing your box. It's done with robotics so that you can have it's more accurate so that the workers don't have to move as much. Natural language process technology that gives the users the ability to communicate with the computer in their native language. Alexa is a great example. You don't have to know how to code. You can just ask for something. It will help you. It will translate it for you so it makes more sense. That's what a natural language is. It understands your voice, your dialects, and stuff like that. And chat boxes, again, extremely helpful in the world of customer service. Almost every company now has some kind of chat box that allows us to have put in codes, ask questions. The box, based on your questions, the words, it's finding the answers for you. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to talk to a real person. It can answer your questions. These are very popular in the customer service world. Allows us to provide that information. The decision support system. Issues and factors in the AI for decision making. AI supports the decision support making system, problem identifications, generating and finding alternatives, selecting a solution, implementing that. Let's see. Almost since the inception of AI, researchers have recognized the opportunity for using it to support decision-making systems. Amazon, Jeff Bezos. AI is in the golden age, solving problems that were once the realm of science fiction. Amazon uses hundreds of AI applications to help understand what's going on. I'm sure anytime you buy something, you're getting put into that database of information. Solve complex problems, make them much faster, find relative information. When you search for something, you can get something relatively quick. Some issues, the nature, for example, routine decisions are more likely to be fully automated. The method of support technology uses that, so it helps us to understand what's going on. There is cost, benefit, and risk analysis as we look at what's going on. Today, various AI supports the decision-making process. Problem identification makes it easier to find. Generating and finding alternative solutions. Selecting the solution. After it finds it, can select it, and then we can implement it. So this is just the process of what AI in the decision-making process does for us. It allows us to build what we need. In the automated decision process. As early as the 1970s, there were attempts to automate decision processes. These attempts were typically done by using a rule-based expert system. Examples of this: small loan approvals. Right? Someone would have a loan, how much money they make, how long they were employed, nice and simple. Screening for jobs, did they have the qualifications? Simple restocking. If I have 100 apples and I sell 90, I need to get them in. So simple, obvious things that were done. Today it's becoming much more complicated. As we start looking, if you think of a nurse, AI can now help say, hey, this person has this is how we've solved it in the past. So these are some of the different things that we can use AI for in the decision-making process. Accounting, right? AI in the accounting field. We're going to look at how it comes together. Here's an example. Accounting software for small businesses. It allows us, when it's programmed correctly, it can provide all the information we need. The adoption of what's been, all the laws are programmed into it, so it allows us to have all this information. All the major accounting companies, Ernst & Young, Price Waterhouse, Deloitte Touche, they also have built-in AI applications that help them to do their jobs, to make sure that it's more stable. Small firms can also use it to solve complex billing issues. In the healthcare industry, it helps clients to deal with claims, processing what we need to do. Financial services. Some financial services that can use AI: extreme personalization, shifting customer behavior, both online and brick and mortar, facilitating trust, revolutionizing payment, sharing economic things. So it allows us to have AI on banking. We can also use technology in the banking so we can see what's going on. It helps bank improve their front end and back end operations, activities and use, chat boxes, as we talked about before, facial recognition, some of the different areas that we can use AI. Human resources, HR management. One of the most common things is talent acquisition. It can run through resumes looking for keywords, so we don't have to waste time looking for them. It can go through them much faster. It can make sure that they have what they need, looking for what we have to have. So it makes it a much faster process. Marketing, customer service, right? It can personalize what we're looking for on your Facebook, TikTok. It doesn't matter. You see the things that you like. You're not seeing stuff that you don't like. That's one of the things about advertising. We can target who it is. If you're a female and we're selling products, we can target who you are, so males won't even see the advertising. So this is what AI can do for us. It looks at who's buying what, how do we find them, and this allows us to target who we're doing. Instead of just saying, let's target everyone, we can now target very personalized thing on your Facebook, TikTok, your Twitter feeds, and everything. So we can able to maximize our marketing dollars. We can look at AI in manufacturing, and how it's taking over and doing some of the businesses, understanding what we need to do. Some highlights: aim artificial intelligence to make machines perform tasks intelligently. Major reason for using AI is to cause work and decision making to be easier. Major reason for AI is reduce cost, increase profitability. Autonomous savings, time, money, and perform work. Improve decision making. Target marketing. Uses technology. It can limit human intervention. These are some of the things that we can look at. Deep learning can solve problems. Some of the different areas that we can look at. And some of the terms. And then you have your classwork. All right.